Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Jotform branding for quote request templates, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Jotform branding for your quote request templates, start by logging into your Jotform account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Forms section on the dashboard. Locate the quote request template you wish to brand. Click on the form to open it in the editor. In the form editor, find the Form Settings tab on the top menu. Click on Form Settings to access various options for customizing your form. Scroll down to find the Brand section within the settings. Here, you will see the option to add or modify your branding elements. To upload your logo, click on the Upload button. Select the logo file from your computer and click Open. Once the logo is uploaded, you will see a preview on the right side. Below the logo, you can add a banner image if desired. Click on the Upload Banner button to choose an image. Select the banner file from your computer and click Open. Adjust the image dimensions if necessary to fit the design. Next, customize the color scheme for your branding. Navigate to the Color Settings option, usually found in the same Brand section. Choose your primary color, which will be used for buttons and highlights. You can also change the font style and size to match your brand identity. After adjusting these settings, review the changes in the preview area. Once you're satisfied with your branding, click Save to apply the changes. Now, go back to the main dashboard. Create a new quote request template or open an existing one to see your branding in action. Preview the form by clicking on the Preview button. Check how your logo, colors, and any additional branding elements appear. This will help ensure consistent brand representation across all quote requests. If needed, return to the form editor for any further adjustments. Once everything looks perfect, your quote request templates are now fully branded and ready to use. Congratulations, you're all set with your Jotform branding for quote request templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.